yo, it's your boy Self-Made Films, man, aka Battle Rap's Coroner. You tuned into the Autopsy Report.
All sloppy with bullets in your body. Fuck a news report. The only report is an autopsy.
Yo, today we gonna do something a little different. You know what I mean? We gonna watch Clone versus Bonus. You know what I mean? We gonna get my reaction live. My first time watching this battle. So you know what I mean? Let's get it, man. You already know, man. Shout out to the Bullpen Battle League. John and Don, man. They doing big things down in the A, man. Be on the lookout for them, man. Shrug Life. Let's see him get put in the bag.
Don't think this a clone body because he fresh out of jail. Well, this shit ain't Gucci. You pussy. Claim to be 100. That's something you pretending to be. Well, I'm a gangster and you a fraction of that. We all know 100 is only 10% of a G. I love money. I love money. So me killing you for the green is nothing petty. So excuse me, like shoe me, you get a ring for fucking steady. You know what's silly too? If I draw, I'll paint a picture when the snub is showing. So respect the arteries dead. I really stop blood from flowing.
Crazy. Okay. Bonus talking. Let's go, Bonus.
And I don't spare kids neither, nigga. I bugs out like Buster Douglas. I will not tie son the fuck out. Namu, Pabru, non-trade, rim, I don't give a fuck. I give it up right. I'm O positive. Nigga, I'm a match for any blood type.
Let's go. Let's go. Body bag season.
Kinda like I'm wearing gray sweatpants. Soon as your bitch see me, nigga, she know what I'm packing.
Yo, my girl never let me leave the crib with sweatpants on, man.
His head at the bottom of the clip like a bootleg movie.
Let's go. Talk that shit.
So I'm stepping up. Cause this motherfucker clone, really a clone. So I'm checking, bro. And I'm really authentic in Jersey. I hate replicas.
Jersey. Round one is on Clone.
Some of y'all may have a right to doubt. But I'm the ink in this pen. That's why I knew it wasn't right without me. You doubt me? You doubt me? I'll address you with the can like the homeless greet. Serve them with the tray. Bon appetit. I knock pounds up off this bitch. Make bon appetit. I'm talking.
Little gas, little gas.
I'm talking Britain Loud right in the dirt. Sativa plant. Got the ratchet right beside her Tommy. Lakeisha Grant. You trying to You went from shooting smack to independent or Ray Charles life? That ain't alright. My nigga, y'all was
Talk that shit.
and all this light skin crap. Well, it's whack, my G. But you prove one thing. That you will never black like me. See the wrong one?
Talk that dark skin shit, nigga.
Nigga, if cops threw you in those hooks, would you stick to the cone? You really represent those crooks? Y'all telling me this how your kinfolk look? And y'all calling your brother? Sure. Don't be surprised when the info book. This all Nigga, my yard car was just a big ass cage. With tissue and socks to play ball with. Bitch, I went from watching
Talk that jail shit.
Full, Ace and Rico, to having lawyers paid in full, facing Rico.
Fire. That was fire.
Nigga had to battle in court. DAs, prosecutors, played my battles in court. They was tripping. Trying to book me like a travel resort. Shit was wild and very trash. I ain't know how to act. Like a Tyler Perry cast. And he ain't trash.
Fire.
While you was buying these contacts, cause you didn't want to have no glasses between us.
From the jail bar.
Shit, I couldn't have contact. Me and my people had a glass in between.
seen it coming, but it was a fireball. I don't know. I might have. I gotta get that first round a bonus, man. Bonus came out fire and solid first round, no stumbles. Clone had a solid first round too. He had one little stumble, but I thought bonus material was a little more consistent in the first round. Let's get into the second round.
They compare me to those? That's really scary and bold. Cause I'm sick, the nose running like a carrier cold. Light flash around the room like I'm airing a strobe. Long strap around the waist like I'm wearing a robe.
Fire. That was fire. Let's go, bonus.
I keep it formal, but I'm suited up when I get this shit on. So I either wrap around and put a knot on top, or get the clip on. You don't care how many dimes you bag, when a quarter of them look like a man to me. I get him with. See with the 56 when I play him that heat. So change up, or this bitch a buck like Susan B. Anthony. So go your
Fire. Let's go. Fucking with the flow too.
I'm outside waiting in the truck like a loading zone. I'm a star, nigga.
Crowd sleeping on him.
This ain't for clout,
Away
nigga.
game.
So watch your mouth, nigga. Or I'll be fucking your bitch right on your couch, nigga. Handling shit like a true light skin in the house, nigga. Get hot.
Fire. That was fire. Fire. Let's go. Round 2 is on Clone.
If I was Isaiah, I'd worry about being a real victim. They wouldn't avenge you if the agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. picked them. I killed them.
Talk that comic book shit.
Last time y'all seen blood slip into Kasha. Nigga, how did that?
He was cooking.
How I get thrown this back? I mean, we went from shotgun shoot to a motherfucking bonus back.
That was right.
If he end up with the shell in his brain, just start spelling his name. I mean, his death will really be on us.
His name
no
Flip.
problem with monsters. All I see is rappers with no beef, impossible whoppers. Check your rock.
That was fire.
Oh, we looking all night long for you. Scoping with the beat. Right on for you. Motel 6. Bitch, I'ma leave the light on for you.
Talk to him, Clone. Alright, man. So that was the second round. Let's get to the third round. It's on bonus. Let's go.
I don't bang, but I respect the homies and all the rights to it. And blood is a fluid that gives options into the body to make the right movements. As far as the jail system and how the whites do it, locking up gangbangers and bringing hype to it, when you think about it, transferring blood into a cell is actually bringing life to it. But hold that.
Wow. Wow. What? What? Alright. Bonus coming out swinging in the third.
These hands free. These hands free. So why your left niggas trying to beat the best? Trying to get the Barry Moore every day, like Adam Sandler and 51st dates. Wow. I'm spitting heat down the middle. Symmetry. 3 clips. Trilogy. Fuck this nigga. Bigotry. I don't think I can. If we swing, I'ma lean back. Come forward like a rocket chair. Then his hands waving at his face like it's hot in here. I don't give a fuck.
Alright. Bottom of the third.
Just follow your nose. I swear the cocaine really was cut. Down with the can. For anyone who caught the 7 and up. We had lean.
Okay.
We had lean with the clean. Regular stuff. Lines by the ounces. Measuring cups. I've been leveling up.
That was fire.
Bitch, I really been on the grind. Since minutes was free on weekends and right after 9.
Niggas don't know about that shit. For real.
I fuck on you down and find out what your crib look like. Have a falling off of the bone like when ribs cook right. You's a Green Bay fan, right? But you be betting every season for bread. Whole room, green and yellow, G's on your bed. I can relate to the Packers in the streets with the leg. And running with my squad, you're bound to get cheese on your head. This nigga dead. We've been wilding out with them cannons, slinging shells, never been conceited. I competed thinking well. Now my wild style, every battle I bring them hell. DJ D-Ray, either I'm buzzing or ringing bells. I was in a cell. Nigga, I was in a cell. Making up day-to-day raps Rounds on top of rounds like paper plate stacks. That 30 fit on the waist. Some tailor-made slacks. I wave calf, this shit'll really lay your braids flat. Matter of fact, you get stabbed in the back and dude fucking. It's gonna hurt. Like you cool with the dude your boot fucking. I'm a cool.
I don't know nothing about that. It's like a wow.
I'll show you drama that can lead to a violent slaughter. You'll go from loud boy to being a solid partner. This is my final offer. This is my final offer. John, either we shake or I'm a chick. Yeah, you showed me magic, it was fake, it wasn't real. That shit was
Hey, yo, that was the end of the third round. You know what I mean? Bonus versus Clone on the Bullpen Battle League. It was a decent third round from both rappers. You know what I mean? I had Clone winning the third round, though. And I had him winning the second round. I gave the first round a bonus. The second round's definitely debatable, though. You know what I mean? You can have it either way. The battle took place in Atlanta. Who knows what would have happened if it took place in Jersey? You know what I mean? It wasn't definitely a home game for Clone, away game for Bonus. But they both showed up and they did their thing. I'm looking forward to seeing more of these two young lions, you know what I mean, in the ring. But anyway, it's your boy Self-Made Films, aka Battle Raps Coroner, and you tuned into the Autopsy Report, man. Don't get put in that bag. You feel me? Make sure y'all follow me on all social media networks at Self-Made Films, Films with a Z. You know what I mean? Make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit the bell to this YouTube channel so you can catch all the latest content, man. Let me know what y'all think about this battle in the comments. And I'll be back at y'all real soon, man. I love y'all. Salute y'all. We do it for y'all, man. It's body bag season, man. Don't get put in that bag, nigga.